It could be well worth something now. A Casio 1975 calculator.
Yeah, those. I mean that was Japan. The way they served, big time.
They were the leading. In Germany to an extent.
Yeah, but then you know.
Well, we put a lot of money in, didn't we, after the Second World War?
Yeah. But I actually used the 8 1/4. I think it's 8 1/4 inch floppy. Very few people want, you know. Yeah. No, you need to be. That was white coat territory.
What would it hold? About 2 megabytes.
Yeah, if that.
Yeah, if that. Right. Yeah. I know the small ones when they came out.
Yeah.
Was it 1.44, wasn't it?
No, it was because they had, you know. Then they upped it before the 3.5.